the clock ticks on you, pray to reach dawn. Can you find us at Freddy's? They don't let us out, all the people scream and shout. After they go home, that is when they let us roam. Once we got a taste, but they shot us down in haste. Called us things of hell, blamed it on the rotty smell. Who's that on the phone? You're supposed to be alone. You're not playing fair, we'll just have to break in there. You can join the crew, we have got a suit for you. With you all confound, it's no use to run and hide. Talking always getting closer, don't you know it's nearly over? Found your blind spot lurking within, sooner or later we'll get it. Careful not to waste your power, you still got to last an hour. I can hear your heart pound heavy, here we come, I hope you're ready. Why you come back here, you should have fled here. Bring us those doors, hold steady. You made it quite far, it's rather bizarre. Can you spend nights at Freddy's?
Hey kids, where do you think you're going? I ain't walking the plank for that.
I just want to go home. Don't want to be alone.